Wow, I mean, this could certainly be one of the most sick, bullish Bitcoin fractal patterns of all time. And if it is in fact to play out, I definitely see the sentiment here that this could potentially provide the juice for a launch towards 20,000. So let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. Today we're going to discuss this insane fractal and several other indicators here that look quite promising for the Bitcoin price in my opinion. But of course, before we begin, this is not investment advice, this is not trading advice, I am not your financial advisor. Always do your own research and your own due diligence before investing or trading, as this market is extremely high risk, and these are only my own speculative opinions. With that being said, let's begin right here on the one-day time frame for Bitcoin. Now, you guys can see that I have several areas outlined with the circles here. These circles are paired up with specific spots on the DPO indicator. Now, if you are not familiar with the DPO indicator, I'm going to do a quick run through right now. So what the DPO is looking for is similarities in market cycles. These can be longer term macro cycles or just swing lows to swing highs and things of that nature. For example, take these three here, these three amigos. You see top, top, top. That coincided with these three swing high tops there for Bitcoin, right? Micro cycles. Then take a look on the bottom here in the red area along the bottom here, right? Bottom, 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 bottom. And if we take a look here, these coincided with many bottoms, both micro and macro here for the Bitcoin price. Let's get this crypto. Then over here, you could see top, top, top. Bang, 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 right? You guys get the picture. That's you could see what the DPO is trying to represent, right? So I'm going to remove these now. I just wanted to do a quick run through there with how this indicator works and what it's looking for. Now that you understand that, let's take a look at these specific areas that I have outlined with the circles, okay? So notice what happened here, okay? We had a breakout of the bear market. Extreme rip to the upside followed by a consolidation. We then saw the DPO dip back down to retest the zero line area. Okay. We then saw a rip to the upside, an absolutely heinous rip. DPO followed up, then crashed back down. But notice the action here. We largely had a consolidation period, very similar to what we saw back here. DPO then again retested the zero line and ripped to the upside. Okay, keep that all in mind. A rip, consolidation, DPO 0, rip, consolidation, DPO 0. Let's move forward. Fast forward now into 2020. We have our move up, consolidation, DPO retest 0, rip, consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. DPO goes all the way back down to a 0, rip to where we are at right now. Consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. DPO down at the zero line once again. You see what's going on here, right, my friends? The last several times here, and in this specific uptrend since March of 2020, both times that we've had an impulsive move up followed by a longer term consolidation and a retest of the zero line on the DPO, it's led to a rip up. Of course, past performance does not indicate future results, but this is what we've seen the past two times, right? We've seen it twice over here, breaking out of that last bear market. And right now, it appears very similar here that we've retested the zero line and we are consolidating right now. Also, we've just created some tentative support here around 11,000. So for me right now, my friends, this does look very, very promising here if this fractal is in fact to continue. And if you are enjoying thus far, my friends, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for the algorithm. Thank you very much. And if you are brand new, well, welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, select all, and let's get this crypto. Welcome to the family. Now, what we need to discuss is, hey, with this fractal potentially looking very promising here, right? Let's see what else we have inside the chart, Okay, so right now, as I've just stated, we do have this blue area of tentative new support, old resistance on the way up, then flipped and back tested into potential support right now. And we are seeing some very positive price action coming out of this range. But what I really want to see here, my friends, is for us to get to a new higher high above 12,500, because if that is in fact to occur, it can put Bitcoin back into this territory here that we haven't really seen that much price action resistance. Let me just make this hollow in the middle. There we go. There hasn't really been that much price action resistance up inside that range besides our parabolic blow off tops, right? I mean, there's just not been much price action in here. So if we can actually get up in this range and begin to consolidate and have sustained price action up there rather than just blow off top peaks like we've had in the past, this would be a bullish indicator for me, my friends. And that's what I want to see. And I'm really liking the fact here that we are seeing that potential fractal. And above all else, my friends, what type of patterns are these here, right? If we just draw this, over here, my friends, that is a little bull flag. If we draw another one over here, right, this was a bull flag. And if we draw this up here, I think there is certainly sentiment for this to potentially be another bull flag. Let's get this crypto. And let's go back over here and just get rid of these drawings here for now. We'll remove these. And we'll replace them here with, my friends, what is that right there? Potential bull flag. This one here looks like, again, a little bit of an odd one, but more so like a bull flag again. So right now, this looks very similar to me. Of course, past performance does not indicate future results. I just wanted to put this on your radar here. Shout out to my VIPs. I did open a long position, my friends, and I kept my VIPs updated with that exactly when I entered my trade there. Right now I am looking to potentially crush this market like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can. I look for things like these in the charts, my friends. I try to stay 1 step, 2 steps ahead of every other trader, bot, and analyst inside this market. Because if you fail to plan, your plan is to fail, right? And what I'm looking for here are setups with historic price action to give me what I perceive to be an edge over this market, to potentially play the next move to the best of my ability. And if you do want to see how I'll be setting up all of my trades moving forward here, all of my strategies, things just like this in real time, my friends, I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. So I hope you have enjoyed that fractal. Let's move on to some other indicators here, okay? Now, I want to pull up the Chaikin oscillator on the weekly time frame. The Chaikin oscillator is looking for potential hidden buy and sell pressure, okay? And here on the weekly time frame, let's actually make this zero line a little bit more visible. There we go. What we can see here is that in bull markets, right, the Chaikin is largely staying above the zero line and progressing nicely, right? And back here in our 2016 through 2017 bull run, it really never even got close to the zero line and continued to progress upwards. And then quite the opposite in the bear. We dipped below and really struggled to maintain any type of action above it. And we continued to crash, right? And this action, all since this breakout to 14,000, we haven't really seen any sustained action above the line, right? Notice back here in the real bull run, starting back in 2016, all of the action was really up, right? Really sustaining above that range. Here, with our market conditions from the $3,000 range up to 14,000, we just have seen peaks and drops, right? There's not really been much sustained momentous action above there. But what I like right now is that we are breaking above some very interesting levels of resistance here, being that $10,500 range. We are seeing that potential fractal there on the DPO indicator. And now we are at least creating a new higher high here on the Chaikin oscillator, potentially looking to continue this buy pressure to the upside. Let's get this crypto. Just wanted to point that one out here as well, my friends, because not many people look at the Chaikin, and to me, the Chaikin is very important. So looking at that from a weekly perspective, I just wanted to point it out, that we have essentially broken this downward sloping trend line there in conjunction with that fractal and the fact that we are above that $10,500 region. Let's get this crypto. Okay, just another thing to take into consideration. Doesn't mean that we have to go to the moon right now, but it's definitely potentially promising for me. Let's get this crypto. Now, another indicator I want to look at here is the Alligator, another momentum indicator, my friends. As we can see here, everything looks healthy on the weekly time frame. We had our bullish cross back here at this consolidation in June around 9,200, bullish cross right there, and we're seeing these bands continue to widen, price action above, all looking good. The daily time frame is where this got a little worrisome for me, right? Let's actually get rid of this here for now. We'll take this out there. There we go. Actually got a little worrisome here for me on the daily time frame, because you could see here we broke out of this bull flag with a bullish alligator cross right there at the tip of the formation. We had our green cross above the red and the blue, price action above, and then widening bands, which led to our breakout. Now we've seen the price sell off, and we started to see some not so great, neutral type of price action here with the bands starting to converge on themselves. But as of today, my friends, after bouncing off of this support box here, this blue support box, we've now seen the green cross back up above the red, and it's possible that in conjunction with everything else we've discussed here, that these bands may continue to widen and we could possibly look to break out further. Let's get this crypto. Just keep in mind, my friends, that all of this is speculative, right? And if we are to lose support at this blue box, everything could change in the short term. As long as we stay above this blue box, which for me, really, I really don't want to see Bitcoin drop below 11,100. If Bitcoin can stay above 11,100, which would keep our low intact, get this out of here just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. This low, right, our prior double bottom retest low, which was our old resistance flipping into new support, right? So if Bitcoin can hold that level, even if it is to drop, what I want to see is something like a higher low trajectory begin to get created here, and we could possibly be on a move or on a trajectory for a move higher. Let's get this crypto. So right now, my friends, I really like what I'm seeing here. I mean, I'm almost certain that nobody else has pointed this fractal out to you, because I just found it myself observing this chart like a hawk with an eagle eye earlier this morning. So if you do want to show this to others, I think they will appreciate it. So share this video with your other crypto trading friends. I think they'll appreciate the sentiment there. And like I said, if you have enjoyed me showing you this, please leave a thumbs up for the algorithm. I appreciate it a lot. A comment really helps the algo as well. And as I stated earlier, welcome to the most realistic Bitcoin technical analysis channel you're ever going to find. Hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, select all, and let's get this crypto. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the family. My friends, as I've stated earlier, I am in a long position right now. I have a stop loss placed at where I feel comfortable. I am keeping everybody updated in VIP with my trades in absolute real time. I post alerts just like this. Let me pull one up for you. Just like this, my friends. That's how they look. I post where I'm looking to enter, exit, take profit, where I put my stop losses, my strategies, all of that. And right now, I am going to be looking for more opportunity in this market. Whether I'm going to continue to long or go short, I let the chart speak for me. I'm remaining cool, calm, and collected, preparing to strike like a cobra out of the grass and get this crypto. So quick video here today, my friends. Share it, like it, subscribe, take the little bell, select all. And I will see you all in VIP right now after this video. Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. My friends, until next, the Don has spoken. I think we just lagged on that outro, so I'll do it again. The Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs.